Hello everyone, this is Yvette from the Kat Scrappiness Design Team, and today I'm here to introduce you to the Cuppa Love 6x6 double-sided paper. So let me just show you really quickly the beautiful patterns of paper. Now we have this wonderful background covered with coffee beans, and I like that it's two different shades of coffee beans. And then the back of that is this beautiful brown with white polka dots. Then we have this background of different colored donuts. And I love the colors on this paper. Now the back of that one, let me flip it, is this paper covered with coffee cups and donuts. Really cute paper. Again, beautiful colors used in this paper pad. This next sheet is also covered with coffee cups, donuts, and coffee beans, and words that say coffee lover. Then on the back of that is this zigzag pattern using all those colors that are used throughout the paper pad. And then we have this pink polka dot pattern paper with different coffee cups on it. Very cute. And then we have this diagonal plaid, again using all of those colors. And then we have this pattern paper covered with coffee cups with hearts on them. This one's so cute. And then we have this aqua with white polka dots. Very cute. And then we have this pattern paper with little mugs that say coffee lover on it. Really cute. And then last but not least, we have this, let me flip it for you, pink pattern paper with outlines of little coffee mugs on it. Let me bring it up a little bit closer so you can see. And then the patterns repeat. So you have 12 different patterns. Let's flip through real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then those patterns repeat, and you have 24 sheets of pattern paper in here. So each of the patterns repeats 4 times. I'll be sure to link to the Cuppa Love pattern paper in the description box below. If you haven't done it already, make sure you subscribe to the Kat Scrappiness channel for more videos filled with wonderful inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.